Got a little dusty for you from those mountain roads.
Yeah.
Not muddy though. It's just
dusty.
a lot of dust. Just a lot of dust. Oh, maybe tiny bit of mud. Open up the back. There's, you know, just a little bit of dust back there.
Just a little bit, yeah. Jesus.
Here, we'll pop this up. Oh. Yeah, it's all, look. Yeah, dust on, dust on, dust on, dust.
It looks like it's been sitting in storage.
Yo.
It's not mud this time though, guys. It's just dust.
I'd rather be mud. Just mud, you know, just a few areas. But
Yeah,
dust is
yeah. It's everywhere.
It's even like all up in these little. Wow.
Yeah, dust everywhere.
It's fun.
Yeah, you did her in this time. That's funny.
Yeah.
Nice. It's gonna be fun.
Yeah, the outside's going to be easy this time. Now it's going to be the inside.
Yeah, because the dust will spray right off of the outside.
Yeah.
Well, we can just spray
can't
the
power
dust
wash
off on the inside too. Let's take the pressure washer inside of it.
What?
Pressure wash the inside. Quick way to get rid of the dust.
Yeah, right. All the electronics too. All the electronics up
Yeah,
there.
those are the Jeep, right?
Yeah, right. So I actually got some stuff that we're going to try out. It's a new gun, right?
Yes.
It's a gun and a foam cannon. So we're going to try that out, and Chase will let you know what his thoughts are on it.
Get attacked by a grizzly bear.
Huh?
Get attacked by a grizzly bear.
Why? Where? Right here?
Big long scratch gun down here.
Do I really?
Yeah.
Huh. I don't know. What the hell happened?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'm bleeding too. What the hell?
Good job.
Where's the foam cannon? It's a little guy.
It is a little guy. Destroy the box.
Just destroy the box, buddy. Open it up. We're going to use it. We'll put it to work right away.
There's a little baby one.
I mean, honestly, that's all you guys usually use on a car. You never use
Yeah,
a
no.
full,
Yeah.
like,
And this is nice because it has the wide opening up top, so you can fill it easier, right? And then also the wider base. It's probably because they're so top heavy with the big brass pieces up top, they tip over. But I'm guessing
oh yeah, I didn't even think about that yet, because the one I have is like a really small
it tips
opening.
over, but because that one has a wider base, it doesn't tip over.
I like it.
It's adjustable. That's right there as well. Yeah.
Oh, well, we're gonna
Try
put
it out.
yeah, we're gonna put it to use, and then over here we got this new gun.
Oh, so there's a gun in here?
Gun, not a real gun. Pressure washer gun. So here's the thing that I don't understand. Oh look, what's it called, the tips?
No, I use more of those.
Someone likes to lose them.
So Chase, what? I'm still talking with this on my head, my face. What's the why do you guys use the short rather than the long nozzles?
So we use the short ones so it's easier to get up to the wheel wells or under the car as well. They're just easier to maneuver. Get into more places, engine bays.
Okay.
Makes it easier for that.
Less likely to hit the car
Less
with it
likely
too?
to hit the car as well. I was just about to say that one as well. And also take as much space up in our van, so
There you go.
mobile.
Cool.
Really, only downside is you get a little more wet,
Yeah.
but
But in this
part of
weather,
the job.
guys, in this weather right now, you don't mind getting a little wet. It's freaking like 96 degrees, probably 98, maybe even 100 in this garage right now. It's freaking hot.
Yeah, you should have seen yesterday. It
So
was
I-
really bad.
Sponsorship for an air conditioner.
Yeah, right? As always, guys, I'll have it listed in the video description. Always good, important information in the video descriptions. Always check that out. What's the differences with the tips and the colors? What do the colors coordinate?
So the different.
Correlate.
What's that?
What do the colors correlate?
Red 0.
I was gonna say it's a different degree that
White's
they spray at.
40.
So white's 40, green's 25,
Yellow's
orange is
15.
15, red's 0, and black ones are soap attachments. So you just kind of,
Cool.
you know what I mean?
You soap her up. And you guys mainly use white?
Yep.
Don't even
Or
use the other ones?
We'll use
really?
green occasionally on the underbody if it's really muddy, like on yours.
Or
We
if
use
you get
25 a
something
lot.
can't reach too well.
Some can't reach tubes. So like if we do the top of a trailer that we can't walk onto.
So you boost
I'll
up
put
the pressure a
I'll
little
put
bit.
the 15
Yeah.
on
yeah.
there and just kind of blast from the sides. Yeah.
Cool. And basically, guys, you just screwed the actual high pressure line on here,
Yep.
which is, you know, it's meant to do that. and then there's a quick release to release your different ends.
And you can get quick connects for.
Yeah, you can go crazy.
Yeah,
you can go buck wild if you want to.
Buck wild.
Karen already got the foam cannon all filled up, ready to go.
Yeah.
Look, it's not falling over like mine does. I actually, at home, I have a Chemical Guys one that I hardly ever use anymore. I was going to give it to these guys. They were like, "No, we don't even want it." And well, now I know why, because they got this stuff out there now.
Mm-hmm.
That makes total sense.
Yeah, it does, right?
Yep. Boys at Attention to Detail PA killed it. I helped like a tiny bit.
Yeah.
Tiny bit. I mean, something you could do to try to cool down a little bit, because it is freaking hot out here. But yeah, the Jeep looks so much better, as you guys saw in the video. I mean, night and day's difference. These guys do an awesome job. If you haven't already, make sure you check them out on social media. Hit them up for a detail. They have a mobile detail service. They'll come around to your house if you're local. What's your distance? You have a distance yet? Or?
45 minutes of the area.
There you go.
That's a bigger job for about an hour, so yeah.
Okay. So there you have it. Thanks, Kieran. You could set up like normal routine schedule appointments. Like these guys come out to my mom's house every other week and they do her car. Just a wash, vac, windows, keeping her car nice and clean all the time. And it's a white car, so you have to do that. So final thoughts, Chase, on these two items here.
The foam cam was great because, like I said, it's a wide mouth to fill it, and then also it's wider on the bottom so it can tip over like most of the other ones do. After I saw the video, it actually foamed up pretty decently as well.
Yeah, I was impressed by that.
Yeah, it did pretty well. The quality on it actually felt pretty good as well.
Cool.
So
you're going to put it to good work?
Put it to good work. She'll link in the description, I'm sure.
Yep.
And so this is a great thing to start off with if you guys want to get into cleaning your own cars. And also the little gun that goes with it as well.
What are your thoughts on that?
I thought the gun was great too. Like I said, we prefer the little trigger guns over the big wands. They're easier to get inside the wheel wells, inside the barrels of the wheels. You fit in more areas basically.
Yeah, Kieran was getting up underneath the Jeep and getting inside the sliders, because there's a cavity in there you guys got to get into, and you can get up close and personal with it with that little wand. Well, no wand, gun. So.
And it's also has all the tips.
Yeah, it's got all the nice tips. Yep. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're stopping by for the first time, make sure you smash tab, do something to that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on all those notifications. Make sure you check out allbeastprojects.com. That's me, that's my website. You can get our merch and stuff on there. It all helps the channel. beastsynthetics.com. I'm an Amsoil dealer. When you purchase your Amsoil from me, it helps support the channel as well, so I can continue bringing you this awesome content. We love you guys. We'll see you on the next upload. Pounds it out.